yung mga katas niya ma-absorb pa ng tubig.
It's okay. I think Filipinos don't use it much anyways.
Yun pala yun.
It's okay.
Ito, gusto mo itong mga ano? Mga
No, I
vegetable?
think nobody really uses it anyways.
Kala,
But in the States, like, you buy vegetable stock, you buy beef stock, chicken
kala
stock.
siguro nila nagkamali ng lagat.
No, I told her then kagabi, but it's fine. Like, if my grandma saw that, she wouldn't really understand it either. But you know, in the States, when you buy, like, vegetable stock, that's what it is.
Ah, okay. Kaya lagay nila sa tubig para ano?
No, you don't put water, you put stock.
Pag narinig ko yung oh my God ni Kisses, alam ko na may nabenta na yan siya.
Dalawang pata lang yung naka-spread sa
Ito na yung kanin.
Yep, kanina ko pa niluto yun. 10 yung sinain ko. 10 scoops.
Ayun na, nakabenta na.
Siguro naman sa 3 days naman, nakabenta naman siguro tayo ng 20,000. Yun.
Kaya natin yun.
Kaya yan, 20,000 for 3 days. Kaya yan. So yung first day na nagtinda tayo, let's say naka 7,000 tayo. Nabenta na.
Agad? Oh, great. Thank you. Makano?
It says, the door.
Really? Sabi ko nga, 600 is fine.
Ah, 700. Galing.
Libre
ata
request
siya.
lang.
Pero limited lang bibigyan niya.
natin ano, chips.
6.
Ha?
6 ata.
Hmm?
Oh.
Mga
You
apron.
can sharpen it on a mug, like Christian.
Pwede. Kailangan. Ay,
Nice. Oh, sa States, olive oil rin yung ginagamit kong pang ano. Hindi ako bumibili ng regular. Mas mura din na, palos parehas lang rin na kasi ang presyo ng olive oil sa regular oil.
Yeah, vegetable oil is like the worst for frying and stuff. Not good for your body.
Pero kasi dito medyo mahal siya.
At saka they do a lot of frying, like olive oil you don't really deep fry in it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you use peanut oil or something else. Vegetable oil, but then you know it's not healthy. It's not, if you're eating deep fried, it's not meant to be healthy.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be bad for you. So my favorite for deep frying is peanut.
Peanut.
It's delicious. Iba ang lasa. Sesame oil na rin. Not for deep frying, but for cooking.
Sabi mo ano ba? Ah? No. Niluluto lang ako.
Sorry?
Tapos na tayo sa 5, di ba?
Ilan na ba yung nalaban? Tatlo na. Sino pa ba yung nalaban?
The beef is on fire.
Angat mo muna. Angat mo muna. Si Kuya, yung blue ka. Pag ginataang gulay yata. Anong tawag dyan, Kuya, sa luto?
Basta kung ginataang, masarap eh.
Anything.
Ay,
Filibasa? Anong filibasa?
Kaya kalabasa is squash. Squash.
Ah, I like
Kaya
squash.
kaya gusto ko talaga ang Thai.
Thai,
Thai
yeah.
any Thai food.
Any Thai food. And I love pumpkin, so I'm very excited for that.
Gumamit tayo ng olive oil. Alam kung 12 na ba ito?
Pwede pa iwain mo, Kuya.
Kaiwa naman.
Baka dumami.
Ay, dumami. Olive oil ginamit ko dito. Yung malalaki siguro yan, iwain natin. Ha? Masarap.
My favorite.
Sabi nila lasang chocolate daw.
Huh?
Lasang chocolate daw ba talaga?
No, it's like mocha, like coffee and it's coffee. Yeah, but you can tell there's coffee, chocolate. Charita ba? Charita, kuchare. Huh? Tish. Ano sabi mo, Tish?
Pagis mo na agad dito. Yep.
Oh my god, this is wonderful. You just watch her face and it makes
Dapat pala pinakulo natin.
Ha?
Ang matigas yun.
Papakuluan pa natin yan dito.
Lagyan mo muna ng tubig yan kaya kuya.
Pag lahat na lalagyan ko ng tubig. Para kumulo.
Kasi panigurado. Tayo kasi hindi na wala na.
Mhm.
Kahit mainit na tubig na lang. Oops. Ay, shit.
Iwalayan natin sila na siguro sa maliit na lagyan. Ewan.
Kaya niya magagamit ng kuko. Pero hindi yan yung gatang akala natin. Yan mas maganda yung sa plastic, no?
Oo.
Yung talagang piniga.
Ikaw pa mismo magpipiga.
Mas malasa eh. Yun yung inalis mo.
Yung mga
Taba-taba.
para mabawasan.
Yun.
Salaw.
Palambutin na lang muna.
Hindi tatapon yung laruan ko.
Sabihin mo si Adi.
Oo nga, siya nagtapon last. Nakakabahan ako today.
I-announce ni Kuya today na nanalo tayo sa task. So, masaya tayo. And then, may lalabas. Para nakikita ko yun. Mangyayari.
Na,
Na magsasaya muna tayo for a little while. Then, malulungkot na naman tayo.
Ilang taon ka na natuto ka magluto, di ba?
High school pa lang ako, marunong na ako magluto.
Talaga?
First year, second year high school. Anong date na ngayon? Anong date na ngayon pala?
Talaga.
Anong date na ngayon?
Wait, Friday ka di ba? 12.
yung ulam mamaya, dapat nalabas na natin. Ang hirap
Chicken.
magluto. Ay, sige.
Yung chicken breast. Parang yun ata ang naka-schedule today. Pero hindi ako sigurado. Alam mo, gusto ko talaga matutunan yung chicken Alfredo. Hindi ko lang talaga siya alam kung paano gawin. Pero pakuluan mo muna yung chicken. Pakuluan mo muna yun, tas butter. So pan fry, okay lang.
Butter or something.
Pero half cook lang. With butter.
Always, never half cooked chicken.
Okay.
It's dangerous.
So fry
Empty
chicken, empty pan, butter,
equal parts flour, milk.
heavy
Make a
milk,
roux. Just
full milk.
Kahit anong milk.
Okay.
Pangalan niyan, roux. Then you mix it hanggat parang
Lumapot.
it gets brown.
Mm-hmm. And then chicken.
Cheese, if you want. Mga spices mo.
Mm-hmm.
And then you just add the chicken after, like the pasta. Or you can slice it and put it in the
Slice, yeah.
sauce. Depende.
Gusto ko talaga yan eh kasi
It's my favorite.
yung sa Cab Yellow, masarap yung chicken Alfredo nila talaga.
And their ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
Pistachio ice cream.
The pistachio ice cream.
Kung nasa Korea kami, parang wala talaga kaming extra money. Because we are on allowance from our agency.
Sold? Sold na yung so kung puro yung dito binibili, ibig sabihin wala sa labas. Sana.
That's what I think.
Sana.
Kahapon nang sinabi na labas mo na lahat ng damit, feeling ko na
Naubos.
kulangan na sa labas.
Pero ang total natin is umabot na tayo ng 40,000. All in all.
We're at 35 the other day before we made all the jackets.
Yeah. Siguro lampas yan. Sana maka 50 kung kaya. No?
I used to work for commission. So parang in our heads, we're always adding up to 2,000. Mabilis mong i-add up lahat. So may mga items na alam mo, 1/4 na yun. Ganito, it's 2/3, 1/3. So, nakailang 1/3 na tayo.
Dami. Dami na.
Ano yan?
Nakatulog kayo maayos.
Layo nang nadaan ko sa panaginip ko.
Ha?
Palabas ako ng bahay.
Parang feeling ko bitin.
Hindi na pa rin gumising. Pero alam ko at least naka-deep sleep ako. Bitin nga. I agree.
Madaling araw na. Mga 4 siguro yun. 4, tas paglabas ko, tiningnan ko agad.
Sa
Aga pa ako. Hirap kaya ng trabaho ni Kuya. Hindi din siya all day. Hindi siya nakaka-uwi. Parang same sa sked natin. Parang kung si Kuya ay may kambal. Like they have, their twins have the same voice.
I don't think so.
Pero identical talaga pati DNA. Diba?
But I'm not sure.
Because like, I have my roommate as a twin brother.
Are they identical?
Huh?
Are they identical?
Yeah, but not super.
Okay, they don't
Like,
look identical.
They look identical, but I guess not
Not so much.
so much. Like you'd still see who's who.
Pero identical twins have the same DNA.
Ha?
Identical twins have the same DNA.
Hindi ko sure. DNA, like, exactly like, pares na parehas.
Kasi organ donor sila sa isa't
Yeah.
isa, no? Cute.
I made that.
Nakita ko yun kanina, akala ko may halaman tayo. Diba?
Last time I did that, Ali threw it away.
No, I made vegetable stock last night. The crew threw it away. I was saving another one. Oh, I threw it away. Somebody threw it away. Wag na. Trying to help gather your nutrients. Giving you micronutrients. That's fine. We put it in our rice.
I'll
We make
cook
risotto.
separate without oil, without salt. Kaya nyo kaya yun without salt?
Paggabi yung ginawa kong mantika, yung taba ng manok. I took some of it. Huh?
Kaya na!
Thank you. Ready?
I'm gonna copy it.
Yeah, most people do.
If that's possible, then I'm just gonna do
Don't
that.
know, we make friends.
I'm
Want to go home,
starving. You guys should like force feed before you go out.
I'm making a separate food for you guys.
No, if there's anything more to so
No.
that we have to do.
You know, we still have 2 more left in the activity area, but that's it.
Someone's on that?
We don't have anything to
Paano ko
say.
makakatulong, Sir Jerome? Sabihin mo lang sa akin, gagawin ko po lahat
Okay,
para...
so, ito, pag lumambot na to,
Is that good?
pwede
This
nang,
corn?
hindi ko siya ginamitan ng oil, pero yung beef meron pa siya mga oil. Eh. So, kukuha ko na kayo and then isi-separate and then luluto natin ng separate yung sa inyo without oil, without salt.
Sige.
Puro vegetable lang and beef. Gusto niyo yun?
Smells good. Do you want to just do half of it and then people can take half of the healthy, half of the less oil, or a quarter?
Probably quarter siguro
Okay.
tatanggalin natin.
Game!
Para ito kasi, although wala siyang, hindi ko nilagyan ng oil, itong beef itself may oil siya na pinoproduce eh.
Correct.
So, pag lumambot
Tama ka
na,
dyan.
pwede na. Or want, you can cook your own beef and then I'll share your vegetable and then timplan nyo na lang according to your taste.
Sige.
Pero ito walang oil na ginamit. Maliit lang na olive oil yung ginamit dito.
Sakto. Ano ba to? Kinataan?
Ginataang kalabasa.
Ah, so that's where you use the kalabasa. Tingin. So,
may kalabasa.
ano ba? Binaboil mo lang yan?
Oh, para lumambot siya. Kasi yun yung magiging